Hi guys, welcome back to Real Fishing UK. Haven't been on the bank at all lately, and I've managed to get down quickly to my syndicate after work. Also down on the syndicate, Mike's here as well, so he's got here a bit before me. He's set up already, so if he has anything I'll be able to show you that as well. Like I say, I haven't been able to get out myself recently, but I've managed to sneak in this quick overnight, so hopefully one of us will have some success or have something to show you for the camera. Also down with me, I brought along Anton. We're both pulling off really early in the morning. We were pulling off about 9:30. My tactics for the session were really simple. I saw a fish or two topping just to the left of my swim, so I was going to put it on top of them really. My tactics were really simple. I was just going to use a rig with a small PVA bag of little gem pellets, and the rig is really simple. It's just a knotless knot tied to the hook with a piece of tubing over it to give it an extra bit of a kick. I've got my Icelandic Red Carp Company bait with just a little bit of fake corn to tip that off and just to balance it a bit better. And then the hook, as you know, is a fang twister. Yeah, really happy with these hooks. And I've got missing link as the hook link in a silt colour, and then all it is at the top is just trying to a quick change loop with a Palomar knot, and I've just got a bit of silicone that I'm going to put over when I attach it, and this is what it looks like when it's on. Mike's tactics are slightly different to mine. He's going for a single hook bait approach. He's just going with a boilie, and where he's shaved off the top of it slightly, and he's going to use a bit of fake corn to balance that up. I haven't had nothing yet. The rain's just started to come in, and Mike's had two. Yeah, so they're going to settle down into the night, and hopefully I'll get one in the night or maybe in the morning. I feel confident. My baits are on good spots, and I've seen fish, so hopefully it will happen. That fish you see Mike had today, Droopy, is the one I'm after. He's had it 3 or 4 times, and Lewis has had it twice as well. I think it comes out at a big weight of around 31. It's down in weight at the moment. I'm really after that fish. Hopefully I can get it. It's got a lot of character about it, and it's the one I really want from this water now. I've had the rest of the other bigger ones, but just can't manage to get him out. I've seen him on the bank 3 times, but I'm sure there's people out there who can relate to that after a fish, and every time they go fishing it seems to come out. But hopefully I'll get him one day. Hopefully I can get a fish this session as well and not have a blank. 5 in the morning, it's just turned light, and I had an absolute screamer. It's a little 16 pounder, but yeah, I'm happy with it. gets me off the mark. I was on a blank, and this 16 pounder has got me off the mark. I've still got about 3 hours. There you go, I've done it. We're about half an hour away from leaving. My rod screamed off on the ground, and I've managed this 24 pounds 2 ounce mirror. Well happy with that. Was really happy with the 24 pounder. I've had it out before at 31, so it really is spawned down and not put on the weight yet, but hopefully they're starting a lot now and they get his weight back up to around the 29-30 mark. I think it was 30 because he had a lot of spawn in him then when I had him. But you know, when I left, Mike managed another one out, so here it is. Have a look at this.